do that, hip is such a great time to practice, okay? It's really a wonderful movement to learn because it is that hip-generated power. That's all that is. As we get into handstand push-ups, you can hip in the handstand position. You just have to be very good. Because all you're doing is really leaning back, and then you're using hip drive and foot drive. Here, you can, are you able to spring up like you? No. Right. Look at him! It only took 4 or 5 seconds.
Momentum, man.
It's up, Carlio.
Oh, man, let's hang out, man. Come on.
Come on, Carlio. We'll pull it through. Just come up, wham, and come up. Come up to the top.
Make sure you get your hands down there. Get the weight moving.
Kick your feet up. Okay, come on. Okay. Yeah! That's fine.